Ba't nakatangan ka na dyan? You face the camera. Okay. Now you shoot. Musica. Now you are going to sing. Anong pinag-aamba mo dyan?
Kasi musical eh.
Enjoy ka pag musical.
Oo, kahirap ng horror eh.
Ay, yun naman ang gusto mo talaga, magkakakantayin, di ba?
Peter.
Where do you sing now?
Yung grupo namin, yung Wise Guys, kumakanta kami every Wednesday and Saturdays sa Manila Manor Hotel, sa Malate.
Okay.
Pwede mag-mic talaga, parang.
Bakit? Akalang ba yung laruan? May
Okay na eh.
mukhang mahina ang dating. Baba mo pa yan.
Kanta kasi, kanta. Kanta kasi.
So you want to use a microphone.
Okay lang.
You know how to pay?
Ha?
May bayad?
Wala.
Wala ka pala may babayad. Wala ka microphone. Biro. Ready?
Eh.
Ready?
Ayaw na, Kuya Joe.
Yabang mo talaga, ha?
Hindi, sasayaw pa yan. Sasayaw pa yan.
No, you don't run. Please.
The singing dance acting.
Oh, I see. You see? He's going to sing and dance.
Yep.
Yap ka na, yap na. Okay, ready? Cover boy. You smile for you, why? Ha? Malaki problema mo, that's why you're laughing?
Hindi, kaya nasisira na.
Ano sinasabi? Sino nasisiraan?
Ako.
Sige. Ready? Lights, camera.
Workshop on air, take one.
Action!
You are crazy, giving up some answer for a girl.
Cut. Why you... That's bad.
Okay.
You don't do that, ha? Ha?
Masyado ako naging emotional.
Ano emotional? Ang gumagano. What manner? No good, ha? Don't do that, ha? Okay, take two. Ano reklamo mo?
Kabayad na po.
Mawiling ka sa charity paminsan-minsan, ha? You are born to be charitable, okay? Don't expect always payment. Kaya wala kayong Christmas bonus this year. Ha?
Okay na.
Ha?
Okay na.
Okay. Okay, sabi ni Eddie Bulacan. Light! Camera!
Workshop on air, take two.
Action!
You are crazy, giving up some answer for a girl na ngayon walang nakilala.
I don't know how I am going crazy, but believe me, I've never been this happy. Being crazy so who cares?
You're not just my brother, business partner, guitar. Everything that you do affects me too. That's not what I expected from you.
Gemma naman, all of my life ginawa ko na what is expected of me. Going to right school, taking the right course, be interested, the right things, pati ba naman pagpili ng babae, ano naman. Kasi isipin ko ba lahat? Iba.
I'm going crazy! Oh my God!
Galing din, Kuya.
Sabi ko na malaki na tututunan itong mga bata na ito. Mahusay na kayo manloko talaga, oh. Okay? Bet?
Commercial po muna tayo.
No!
Oh, at releasing his first LP ngayon. At ngayon ay kakantahin siya na. Alam mo ba yan?
Ano? Ito nga, to sing Breaking My Heart by James Ingram. Please welcome our singer, composer, Lester Tamonte.